There are plenty of times that I have clients come to my office, they are crossing the street, they're in a crosswalk, they have the green light, and a vehicle makes a left turn, doesn't see them, and collides into them. Or they're riding a bicycle, they're out on a Sunday morning enjoying themselves, and the car doesn't see them, and they're knocked down, and they sustain significant injuries. When you're riding a bicycle, you're actually treated as a pedestrian for the first part of the case, meaning the no-fault benefits. So you will be using the no-fault insurance benefits for the car that strikes you. And this is the case also, even if you are at fault for the accident, your medical bills and your loss of earnings will be reimbursed through the no-fault insurance provider. And when you're a pedestrian or a bike rider, that no-fault insurance provider is from the car that struck you. Other than the no-fault insurance benefits, the rest of the case proceeds like every other motor vehicle case. We need to establish that the vehicle that hit you when you were a pedestrian or a bike rider was at fault for the accident. What was their obligation as far as traveling on the road, and did they breach that obligation? How were they negligent? How did they drive with less than due care? And did that cause the accident? The medical treatment unfortunately needed for a pedestrian or a bike rider is usually a lot more significant because you're not protected by 3,000 or 4,000 pounds of metal surrounding you as if you were a passenger in a car. So it's very important, as in all accident cases, get proper medical care from board-certified physicians. Do everything possible to have consistent medical care, get the medical documentation to your attorney, and let us prosecute your case.